Okay, it seems to work. Ha ha! Ha ha! In this video, we are going to invent a brand new type of synthesis. Perhaps. Because in this video, I'm gonna take the no input technique and we're gonna do it with a vocoder. So I'm gonna take the vocoder, unplug the microphone, and plug the vocoding back into the vocoding and vocode that. I don't know if anybody has ever done this. It's likely, but I've never seen anybody do this. So, because I have this old Soviet vocoder. Actually, I can tell you what I know about these controls because it's very hard for me to read the labeling. But this is like an input volume and also like a control input volume, one or the other. So mic input and control input if you don't want to control with the keyboard. Then this is like a little mixer because we have a string machine. So whenever this one is turned on, it means that I'm also playing the string machine through the vocoding through a vocoder. Here's also like a mix between like the dry input and the affected signal. I think these two are like effects, like vibrato or chorusy stuff where you have three controls here. Then this is like a octave range. This one kind of self-explanatory, but controlled by this one, so you have to sort of tune it. And this is the overall level. And as you can hear, we already have this noise. Which is perhaps going to be perfect. I don't know if it's loud enough to just plug back into the input. Oh! I apologize! I was wrong? Oh. Okay. This was a great idea. Thank you for watching. But if we take this signal and instead go out from an aux so we can amp it a bunch. Straight in. I mean, that's already better. And this is without the string machine and everything. It's really cool sounding. That sound is really nasty in a cool way. I mean, this video just turned out to be very Let's just do it. I mean, I can add sort of whatever in between, which might turn out to be a really bad idea. Let's look back in the rear mirror. And what do we see? Cartoon figures with blue hair. Naturally. Because in the last video, I did no input with miku. So what happens if we vocoder? No input with miku. Not have